Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change iPhone 6 screen. It's damaged from here. It's quite easy. You just need to focus it on it. I'm just sharing my knowledge with you guys, so I'm not responsible for any damage or anything. So whatever you do, do it on your behalf. Okay, first thing you have to do, you have to switch off your mobile. Once you switch off your mobile, you have to wait few seconds. Can you see? Now your mobile is off. The tools you need one Pentalobe screwdriver and one Phillips screwdriver. These two screwdrivers you need. You have to open these two bottom screws. One, two. You have to keep these screws safe in one side, so at least you know which screws goes there. Okay, for opening this screen, you don't need to use any plastic or metal tool, because iPhone 6 screen is not stick with the housing. So you don't need to any heat up, you don't need to give any heat, just simply use your nail. You can see here between screen and housing, once you open that bottom screw, slightly screen is up, so you have to use your nail from this end, put this nail between housing and screen, put the nail here and one nail here, okay, and just pull it. That's it. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to disconnect your battery, and for the disconnect of the battery, there is a two screws exist here. One is here, one is here. It's called battery holder as well. So you have to open these two screws with star screwdriver or one. That's two. Once you open those two screws, you have to keep it with the plate. So at least you know these screws are plate screws. Okay, you have to disconnect the battery. Guys, do not use any metal tools or plastic tools, because if you use your plastic or metal tools, might you hit any of them part of motherboard, or maybe something can be damaged while using a metal or plastic tool. Once this motherboard get damaged, the repairing cost start from 45 to onward. So better use your nail, because it's not a stick with the motherboard, it's just like a connector. It's just like a connector. And I'll show you one thing. All of them connectors, if you can have a look, there is a space. This is the connectors, and if you see both ends of that connector, there is a space, so you can feel it with your nail when you opening it. So simply use your nail and disconnect it. That's it. Now this plate having a 5 screws and your all flux of screen is exist here, so you have to open one by one. But guys, do not mix this screw, because this screw is having a different size, and if you change the position of the screw, maybe you will hit the motherboard. So better when you are open, you can keep in sequence. I'll show you how. One screw is here, second one is here, third one is here, fourth one is here, and fifth one. Okay, once your 5 screws are open, can you see the plate have a 5 hole? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, same like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'll keep this plate with the screws, so at least I know. Okay, let me make it closer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and that's 5. Now you have to disconnect the screen, flux camera and plate terminal. Let me make it closer for you. You have to use your nail. Simply first one is your flux camera, front camera flux. 1, this is your plate flux. 2, and these two flux are belong to your screen. So third and fourth. Okay, you have now is in two parts. So this one, your phone, you have to keep it one side. This is your plate. Let me make it focus for you guys. Okay, this is your home button plate. First thing you have to disconnect, because this home button is very important. If the home button get damaged, your fingerprints or your touch ID will not work again. So make sure whenever you opening it, focus on it. It's go two screws, one is here, one is here. This is one, this is second. Okay, now I am keeping with this plate, so I know this screw, one is here, one is here, like this. Guys, have a look first. Your home button flux is stick with that plate flux, so you have to open it, use your nail, that's it. You have to push from the front side like this. Hold this home button in your hand. It's bit sticky, not that much you have to give them heat or something, nothing. You just have to hold this home button, pull it slightly, that's it. Keep it one side. There is another screw exists here which is holding a plate, so I will keep it, let's keep it here. Now you have to disconnect the 6 screws of the plate, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Even if you can mix it up, it's not the problem because it's go same sizes. 1 2 3 4 5 and that's 6. Okay, that's 6 screws plate, and this is the plate holder screw. Now you have to come to disassemble that front camera flux. So it go 3 screws, 1 2 and 3. So you have to open one by one. 1 2 and 3. Okay, so now I can take out this holder out, so I will keep it here, so I have an idea. 1 2 3. Okay, this is bit tricky. Front camera flux. Look, this is your front camera. Okay, I have to pull this cable like this. Fine. Again, simply like this, and hold from your second finger. This is your microphone, one side. Keep it here. Okay, this is your front camera plastic holder. Use your nail, and is out one side. Now this is your proxy server and front camera based here, which is slightly stick. You have to use any of them, needle, or even you can use your nail as well. Simply there is a gap, small gap, if you can see here. Just use your nail, out, just pull like this. Okay, now your this camera flux is loose as well, but it is stick here, this part. Use your nail slightly, that's it, out. If you can see, there is a small hole, and this hole will sit here. You can see a one black spot here, so this hole will sit in there. Now your screen is totally disconnect. This is central plate flux, which is stick on your screen. You don't have to use any metal or blade, because I have seen people, they are using a blade. Blade can hit or cut this flux, or blade can hit your finger as well, which is quite dangerous. Simply hold this plate from here and slightly up, slightly. That's it. out. Okay, now these all parts are based on the screen. Now your screen is empty. I will keep this screen on one side, and this is my new screen which I have bought from eBay, 14 pound something. And this screen had two screwdrivers. One is Pentalobe and second one is Phillips screwdriver included. I think 14 pound something I have bought it. Good screen. So I have to remove this plastic cover first. Okay, I have to use a plate. This one, put it back. Look, this one should be up, not down, not like this. Should be up. This place goes under. Okay, you have to make an adjustment. What is the adjustment? Can you see? Simply put this plate here. Okay, first thing, you have to put this back home button. Home button flux having a connectors. I will show you, you won't get confused. This is the female connector. This is called female connector, and this flux having a two holes. One is here, one is here, and one is here. And same like the adjustment of that home button, it has a two spot. One is here, one in here. So this home button will sit inside. Okay, and just press it so you will see this hole goes in. And this plate is called male connector. So this just simply stick. You have to put back the plate. You got two screws on. So one goes here, second one goes, okay, and this one is your plate holder. Okay, now you have to put the 6 screws of the plate. So let me bring it to the middle so you can see. Okay, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the last one, 6. Okay, now you have to adjust the front camera flux and proxy server. This is your front camera holder, plastic. Simply put it back here. Okay, now you have to adjust this flux. So as I told you, this flux having a small hole, as you can see, and this one is the adjustment of this hole. So simply this one goes here, like this. Okay, and you have to put this down. So proxy server automatically will sit here. This is your microphone having a 4 terminals, and this flux having a 4 terminals as well. So it's automatically make adjustment because microphone having a 2 holes. One is here, one is here. Same like once you put this hole on the same, it will come here, and this flux on the top goes down like this. Hold it from your hand. This is your holder. Put it back here. Same 3 screw. One goes here. Second one goes here. Third one. Okay, your screen is ready now. You have to check before you have to put all the screws back. Okay, this is your flux, which is belong to your central plate. Let's go 4. Show you. First one and second one is your screen. Third one is your front camera flux, and fourth one is your plate flux. So you have to put one by one. 1, 2, 3, and 4 terminals are here as well. So first of all, you have to do it by one. Feel it with your finger. Do not press until unless you feel the both side of the connector has been adjusted. Once you feel it, just click. Second one. Okay, as like third one and fourth one. Once you put this all, connect the battery to the motherboard and check the mobile first. Is just turning on or not? Okay, it's on now. So I will test it each and everything before I put all this screw back. It's quite simple. It's just need your focus. Okay, your mobile is on now. I have to check the front camera, back camera. Okay, back camera is okay. Front camera is okay. Screen work fine. Yeah, all good. You have to test the Touch ID as well. Touch ID. Yeah, is okay. All is okay. Now you have to switch off your mobile again because you need to put all the screws back. Switch off your mobile, wait few seconds, it will be completely switched off. Can you see? Yeah. You have to just hold the screen from here like this. This is the plate. Okay. As I told you, I have made these screws separate, so it will easy to put it back. The long screw goes here. Guys, do not make it tight once you put the one. When you put all, then you make it tight. This one goes to middle. This one goes to here. This one goes to here. Okay, now I'm putting back this one, and it goes one is here and one is here. Fine, all done. Now you have to adjust this screen. Can you see there is locks here? Let me show you from the previous screen. Can you see? This is a lock. So this lock will goes inside the hole. Can you see this is a space? So the screen locks will go in first. Can you see? Can you easy? Very easy. I'm showing you again and again. It's quite easy. Once the lock of the screen goes inside to the housing, hold the housing from here. And now you have to just slightly push. 1, 2, 3. Hold it from here. 1, 2, and that's 3. Okay, you can feel it. Screen is it everywhere. Now pentalobe screws. One goes here. second one goes here. Okay, all done. Switch off your mobile again. Sorry, battery is low. Guys, even I could make this video short as well, but in short period you won't be able to understand which all the screws exist where and how do you open it, how do you keep it. Okay, your mobile is on now. Back camera, front camera, and home button, screen, up, everything is perfectly fine now. Guys, hope you like this video. Please hit the like, and if you have any issue or any problem while changing a screen or anything, just simply write a comment so I am able to answer you. Anything you feel you won't be able to do it, just leave a comments or question on it, so I will able to help you. That's all. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.